What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we went Sam's Club hopping, you guys. Well, shopping, hopping. I go to like two different Sam's Clubs. And this Sam's Club, the one that I went to, had this cool little unit right here. This is a misting fan from SKIL, okay? I have never purchased a SKIL product before. So right here it says one battery mini tools. So I don't know how many tools they have. I didn't even look it up. I saw it at Sam's Club and I saw that it was a deal. I saw it. It was on an instant savings for like $49.99. The regular price is like 80 bucks or something like that. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and give it a shot. This is a 20 volt. So you have the misting nozzle right here. Misting nozzle. You have your inlet for water. And this is why we need to read, because this is probably the outlet. It says hold power button to start, but we don't have the battery in there yet. All right, so we don't have the battery in there yet, but it says it right here. Hold the power button and then it should start. We got the compartment right here. All right, let's see how much life we have in here. So here goes the battery right here. All right, everyone, so I did test this out already earlier today. Me and my dad, we was in the garage working on his truck. The only thing I think this thing is missing is a speaker. So it would have been nice if they could have put a speaker like right here or something. So that's just an idea for them. But yeah, so that's just me talking, you guys. This thing is awesome. I put the battery in already. We charged the battery. So there you go with that. Is the battery still charged? Let's see. Oh no, we have one battery right now. So we use this thing like crazy today. You can put water in here through this port right here, or you can turn it down and put it through this port. They say don't overfill. If you need to turn it on, it says right there, hold power button to start fan. All right, so we're gonna hold our power button down. So I just turned it on, power. I'm gonna turn it on again, level 2, and then level 3. Now it says it blows like 13 miles per hour. I don't know how much CFU that is. It don't really say. If I find it, then I'll show it to you, but it says 13 miles per hour as far as blowing it out. All right, everyone, my fault. The battery died on me. So now we have full battery, fully charged, and we can get back to it. Now, again, we're going to do a little quick overview again. You got to hold the power button. Once you hold the power button, you're all good to go. You hit it again, just tap it, and then you go on your different levels. Right now, we're on level 3. All right. And then for your mist, if you press it, if you just tap it, there it goes. And it's more powerful than last time. So that means the battery was really dying. All right, so we just tapped it once. We're going to tap it again. And then you tap it again, it goes off. And that's about it. So again, when you tap once on the misting, it's the most powerful one. You tap again, it goes down. I don't notice it, but if you tap it the third time, it turns off. So I just hit it like that. All right, you guys, so since the mist is going, I just want to show you this other cool feature it has. It has a kickstand right here, and you can actually angle it back up to 30 degrees of angle. So definitely if you have this out in the soccer games, football games with your kids and stuff like that, definitely a good feature to have. That way it just hits them right in the face. All right, and if not, you can just set it on the table and then aim it directly towards you or to whoever needs the mist to hit them. But the benefit with this one compared to the Cobalt one that I reviewed a few years ago, the Cobalt one, you need the bucket. All right, there's no getting away with it. You need to bring a bucket of water. With this one, it's already attached. This is your bucket right here. So that's it with that. All right. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all need any other information about it, just let me know. I'll try to send it to you. So So yeah, if you having problems with like the water, the misting coming out, then you might have to check to see if you have any clogs on your misting nozzle right here. But other than that, that will be it. You can add water here, and blah, 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 blah. So Sam's Club definitely have. This is the most interesting thing right now that Sam's Club have. So Sam's Club, y'all doing a little good. I was losing hope in Sam's Club, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I was losing hope in Sam's Club, but they came through. All right, you guys. So I'm going to finalize this review. So we are done with the misting fan, but the bonus that they gave us was this lantern. So I know people probably like, why you need a lantern? So y'all have to remember that some people do go camping and it's hot during the night a lot of times when you camping, and you may want a lantern with you. Now the thing is, they only give you one battery, but someone who is in the skill ecosystem might have multiple batteries. So they got the benefit of having two different type of tools. So we are going to pop that in, and it's collapsible. All right. And here we're going to hit the power button, but we're going to turn the lights off. Lights off. And now we're going to hit the power button. And there you go. Now it's just a regular lantern, you guys. This is not like a super light, okay? Regular lantern. So you see how much that it lights up. So that's one. And then we're going to hit two. So wow, it comes out bright. Okay, I was just on level one, and man, I'm shocked. What's on the left? I think the left is just okay. So you can use this as a power bank as well. That's pretty cool. So there you go, you guys. Nice and bright. All right. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.